FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And guys, in this video, we're going to go ahead and take a look and talk about weekly structure. We're going to discuss it, break it down so you guys understand what a weekly structure should look like, so it can help you trade with market makers. All right. Guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. So here is what I want to talk about. I want you guys to visualize what the market structure is so you guys can understand how market makers work. Okay. All right. So this is going to be right here, Sunday, Monday. So the week starts here. And then this right here is Sunday, Monday, right? So I want you guys to notice what happens here. So Sunday, Monday, they create a perceived retail trend, right? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then I want you to look at what happens Wednesday, right? So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 days of rise, right? And then here comes Asian session on Thursday, right? And then what do we get on Thursday? We get the week reversal, right? So we've gone up, rise 3 days, and then boom, we drop for the next 2. So Thursday and Friday, which is today. Now, one thing I want you guys to realize is that you notice how the week started here, right? Where's price at right now as of, Friday at 11:52? It's right here, right? So if you think about it, the market makers are probably going to end where they started. So they'll probably end somewhere here in consolidation, right? So they'll move up and then literally just move sideways. So a whole cycle started from here, and at the end of the day, it ended at the same spot. Okay? So I want you guys to realize this as you look at structure on a weekly level, right? When you're looking at it on a week-to-week basis. So you're going to look for the first 2 to 3 days for the market maker to make one move, which is basically to get the retail traders to go in one direction. And then you're going to have a weekly reversal where they take that away. And this is when they start collecting profits off of what they just did to the retail traders for the last 2 or 3 days. Okay. Let's take a look at another one here just to give you another example here. So this one here is pound Jappy, and you can see we started the week here. This is your Sunday, Monday here. We have rise, rise, rise. So we have 2.5 days of rise. 1, 2, and then this is the third day here. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, right? So look what happens Wednesday, right? They make the M and trade off of that. Now you see how price is now moving lower. You see that? So realize that this cycle here is the first 2 days, 2 to 3 days of it, we're going in one direction. And then typically either Wednesday or Thursday, we'll get the direction change for the rest of the week. Okay? So just keep that in mind, guys. This is what I'm talking about. All right? Pretty simple stuff, but I want you guys to visually see it so you know what you're looking at when you look at a weekly structure. Okay? So same thing here on pound AUD. Here's where we start the week. So this is your Sunday, Monday here. And we have 1, 2, 2.5 days of rise almost. And then here's where we get stuck moving sideways for Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, they fall. You see that? So here we have 2 days of rise. So 2 days here of rise, and then we stall for 2 days, or a day and a half really. And you notice how we keep hitting the high here. They keep hitting the high, keep hitting the high, keep hitting the high. This is what they do to get the sucker traders to go in longs, longs, longs. All they're doing is just getting contracts, getting more contracts, so they can finally drop it and collect profits off the contracts that they have accumulated over the last 3 days. All right. Let's take a look at another one here. Here's another one. This is the beginning of the week. This right here is your Sunday, Monday. And then again, what do we have here? This time we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days of rise. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday. And then here's when we drop it on Friday. Okay. So on the more common pairs, because pound CHF is not really a popular, pair to trade. On the more common, this is what you see here. You'll see this is, here's your starting of the week. Here is your Sunday, Monday. So we have 2 days of rise on this one. And then you can see how they hit the highs, hit the highs, hit the highs 3 times. Actually 4 times. So you see this here. They hit the high here, hit the high here, hit the high here, hit it again. And then as soon as they have enough contracts accumulated here, boom, they start to drop, drop, drop. You see that? So just keep in mind as to what the market maker is doing on a weekly cycle basis. Okay? All they're doing is their first thing they want to do is give you a perceived retail trader's trend. Right? So everybody's wants to buy. A lot of people, they don't buy here. I would say probably a good percentage of them buy here. An even bigger percentage buy here. Okay? And this is where they trap the traders. And then they start hitting highs, hitting highs, hitting highs, hitting highs. And then as soon as they have the contracts, boom, they drop, and then drop. Okay? And you notice again how we started over here at the beginning of the week. Or I'm sorry, we started here at the beginning of the week. And then we ended up all the way down here. Okay? So in this example, we only had 2 days of rise. So you start to see how, typically 2.5 days of rise in one direction at the beginning of the week. And then we have the drop that comes after for the remainder of the week. Okay, let's take a look at another one here. And on this one here, where we start, we're starting right here. That's beginning. Here's all this is Sunday, Monday here. And what do we have? We have 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days of rise. As soon as we get 3 days of rise, here's them topping the highs, and then we drop for 2 days straight. Okay, so here we go. Pins, pins. We go up one more level. When you see this, when you see them go hit these wicks here, that's them hitting the highs. If they don't get enough contracts here, they're going to go up one more level, typically about 25 pips or so. And let's see. Yeah, there you go, 25 pips. They'll go up 25 pips to get people to commit to going long. And as soon as they do that, they drop, and finally they just drop. Now imagine the people that are actually stuck up here that bought either here or here, they're stuck, right? And let's just say they didn't put stop losses, right? They're stuck now for a whole week cycle. Okay. So just keep this in mind, guys, when you're looking at the weekly structure of the market. Know how it works, right? Just know that you're going to have 2.5 days to 3 days of rise in one direction, and then it's going to drop. You're going to have a midweek reversal. Okay. So if you didn't catch the beginning of the week, okay, then just know that you're going to have a midweek reversal. Just wait for the midweek reversal. Okay. That way you can go in the right direction. Don't get stuck or suckered into the week, the beginning of the week, and then get stuck like this, and then you're asked out for the next 2 days. All right, guys. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this video showed you how the weekly structure works. And I hope you get a lot out of this. All right, guys. Again, practice is everything. So go through the charts, and you can literally go back and see the weekly structure, and you'll have the 2 to 3 days of rise, and then you'll have the reversal midweek, and then it'll fall back down for you. All right, guys. All right. Until next time, have a great day. Guys, one last thing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something. As always, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the videos if you found value in them. And also, don't forget to visit our website at www.fxntrading.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I'm truly blessed.